Good morning everyone. In this video we will solve some problems based on DC circuits. Already we solved some basic problems. Just you go through that, you will get some idea. Now we will solve some tricky problems. They will not give circuit diagram. We need to draw the circuit diagram and we will solve the problem now, right? So the first problem is like this. A circuit consisting of two parallel resistors having resistance of 20 ohm, 30 ohm respectively, right? Connected in series with a 15 ohm resistor. So read the question properly. If you have drawn circuit diagram wrongly, definitely will not get a proper answer. So reading the problem is very important. Circuit consisting of two parallel resistors. So two parallel resistors in the sense like this. So two parallel resistors will be there having resistance of 20 ohm. This is I'll take 20 and this one I'll take 30 ohm. Okay. And this connection series with 15 ohm resistor, right? So if the current through 30 ohm resistor is 1.2 amps, they have given here 1.2 amps, right? 1.2 amps is here, okay? Don't confuse, not 1.2 ohm resistance, that is 1.2 amps current. So here find the current in 20 ohm resistor and 15 ohm resistor, okay? The voltage across the whole circuit, this voltage they have not given. We need to calculate now. This voltage they have not given. And the third subheading, voltage across 15 ohm resistor and 20 ohm resistor and total power consumed in this circuit. So the total power consumed in the circuit, we need the formula like power is equal to I square R, you can use, or power is equal to V square by R, we can use, or power is equal to VI, we can use, right? So any one formula is fine for solving this problem, right? First up, see the question properly. They have given clue, right? See, voltage is not given and current is given is here 1.2 amps. How do you calculate voltage for the circuit? So see the question properly. 1.2 amps they have given clue over here. So you can calculate from that voltage, right? So V is equal to I into R, right? I is 1.2 and into 30. What is the value? 30 into 1.2 will get voltage as 36, I guess. 1% is 30 and 2%, 3 into 2, that is 6, right? So I'll just check once, 36 or what? 36 volts, right? So the 36 volts we got here, okay? 36, this branch, 36. And how to calculate I2? I2 is equal to 36 by 20. 36 by 20 is how much? So here 10 twos are 4 fives are 9, 4 nines are, right? 9 by 5. So what is the value? 9 by 5 or how much? That is 1.8 amps. So here 1.8 amps. That is I2. I2 is equal to 1.8 amps, right? So this is over. Now we need to calculate first one, voltage across the whole circuit. So if suppose I1 we got 1.8, I2 we got 1.2. How do you calculate total current? Just I'll take the values of I1 and I2 over here now, okay? I'll just take a total current. I is equal to I1 plus I2. So what about I1? I1 we got here is 1.2. 1.2 is there, and here I2 is we calculated 1.8 amps. So 1.8. So what is the value of total current is addition of these two, 1.2 and 1.8. You'll get 3 amps current. So now we can calculate, right, voltage across the whole circuit. R equivalent you need to calculate. How to calculate R equivalent? 30 and 20 parallel. So R equivalent is equal to 30 parallel to 20 plus series combination of 15 ohm. How much? 30 parallel to 20, 30 into 20 divided by 30 plus 20 plus 15. So we'll get I think how much? R equivalent is here they have not calculated, directly they have taken, right? So directly they are calculating voltage, right? So just I'll take voltage R equivalent. V is equal to I into R equivalent. This is also fine. You can solve like this also, because R equivalent you can calculate, right? Because R resistance value, all the values are given. So R equivalent you can calculate. Finally, we will get V is equal to 3 into R equivalent. We will get 81 volts. Right? So R equivalent you calculate 30 into 20 divided by 30 plus 20 plus 15. So you will get V is equal to 81 volts, right? So just I'll go through direct problem. Okay, here I'll do. So voltage across 30 ohm resistance is 1.2 into 30. You will get 36 volts, and current in the 20 ohm resistance is V by R. 36 by 20 is 1.8 amps, right? Just we calculated like this. Circuit diagram is there, and here circuit diagram is there. So this current and this current we calculated. So voltage across this one is calculated, and after the total current in the circuit is 1.8 plus 1.0, 3 amps. Just we add because KCL we applied here, and voltage across 15 ohm resistor is 3 into 15. Here 15 ohm resistor will be there. 3 ohm is flowing here. 3 into 15 will get 45 volts, and total voltage is 45 plus 36. Here 36, here 45. What is that value? 81 volts. Otherwise, you can calculate like this. Power is equal to VI, or V is equal to I into R equivalent, right? That is also fine. We can do. We can solve the problem. R equivalent first you calculate. You can take this V by I. That is V divided by I, or V is equal to I into R equivalent. That is also fine. You can do many ways for solving this problem. And power in the circuit is power is equal to VI. Already I told you, right? Power is equal to VI. Just to substitute the values, you will get the answer is 243 watts, right? So this is how we solve the problem. First you draw the circuit diagram. After that definitely everything becomes easy. Otherwise somewhat difficult. If you are doing without circuit diagram, without analyzing, or without taking the values properly, definitely the problem becomes wrong. So just you draw the circuit diagram and note down the values, and finally you have to write the answer. So 243 watts, power in watts, everybody knows that is, right? Okay, thank you. Next we will solve some other problems.